The top 5 worst man-eaters in history. 5. The Tsavo man-eaters. In 1898, the British started to build a railway line over the Tsavo River in Kenya. During the next 9 months, 2 large maneless male lions stalked the campsite and dragged the Indian workers out of their tents at night. The 2 lions were given the names the Ghost and the Darkness. These lions were so cunning and large that many workers thought they were demons, and hundreds left the Tsavo region. Lieutenant Colonel John Patterson managed to kill the first lion, and 3 weeks later, he managed to kill the second lion. It's not clear how many the lions killed, but Patterson had given a figure of 135. 4. Gustave the Crocodile. 9 crocodiles are said to be responsible for more human deaths than any other crocodile species, but none are as infamous as Gustave, a man-crunching, bullet-scarred behemoth living in Burundi, Africa. Natives say he kills for fun, not just for food, that he kills several people in every attack, and then disappears for months or even years, only to reappear later in another different location to kill again. It's estimated that Gustave has killed as many as 300 humans, but the true figure is unclear. 3. The Lions of Njombe. The most prolific of the man-eaters, this pride of 15 claimed hundreds of lives, perhaps as many as 1,500 lives, between 1932 and 1947 in southern Tanzania. The hungry lions quickly settled on human flesh as a substitute. Unlike most lions, the Njombe pride did its killing in the afternoon, using the night hours to travel as far as 15 or 20 miles to an unsuspecting village. It is said that these lions killed about 1,500 people until they were eventually shot. 2. The Panar Leopard. This leopard is the smallest of the true big cats, but that doesn't make it any less deadly than its bigger relatives. In the Kumaon district of northern India, the leopard of Panar would stalk with quiet determination, and for its pains purportedly managed to kill and eat over 400 people. A post-mortem on the leopard showed that it had been suffering from crippling gum disease and tooth decay that would have inhibited it from catching wild animals, hence the taste it developed for man's blood. The Panar leopard was finally killed in 1910 by famous hunter and conservationist Jim Corbett. 1. The Champawat Tigress. In the early 1900s, a female tiger allegedly killed 200 people in Nepal before she was driven across the border into the Kumaon province of India. Once there, she continued her murderous spree by killing another 236 people, bringing her total to 436 over an 8-year period. Famous hunter, same as the Panar leopard, Jim Corbett, was called in to take care of this tigress. He did this by following a trail of blood of a teenage girl who was the tigress' latest victim and then shot the tigress. Which of these animal stories shocked you the most? Leave a comment below.
Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed. Check out one of these videos and don't forget to subscribe to support more videos.